An object is thrown into the air at a height of 60 feet. After 1 second and 2 seconds, the object is 88 feet and 84 feet in the air, respectively. What is the initial speed of the object? Well, let me take here some information of this word problem. First, let's say here we have the initial height. So let's say height h0 is equal with 60 feet. Now what do I have here? After 1 second and 2 seconds is 88 and 84. Let's say h1 is equal with 88 feet. h2 is equal with 84 feet. And time 1 here is 1 second. And time 2 is equal with 2 seconds. And what we want to find? We want to find the initial speed. So initial speed is v0 is equal with question mark. If we are looking here for the height of the object, we can calculate it with the formula is h0 plus v0t, initial speed or velocity, and here is minus 1.5 gravity times t square. If we want now to find the v0, for example, for the height 1, 88 feet and t1, we can solve with this information, or we can use h2 and t2. If we want to input this information here, let's say h of 1 second is equal with h0 is a plus v0 t1 is a minus 1.5 g t1 square. h of 1 is already here is 88 feet. We can write the 88 feet is equal with h0. h0 is 60 feet, so let me write here 60. And here is a plus v0 time t1 is 1 second time 1. And here is a minus 1.5 g t square. G is the gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. But if we want this to convert in the feet, it would be here 32 feet. But divided by 2 is a minus 16. And t here is 1 second. T1 is 1 second square is a time 1 second square. So 88 is equal with 60 plus v0 minus 16. And if we want now to simplify, here is a minus 60 plus 16. Minus 60 plus 16 here is equal with 44. Okay, is 44. So let me write here 88 is equal with a v0t and is a plus 44. If I'm dividing minus 44 here, minus 44 here, this cancels. It's not vt, is a v0. So, and velocity v0 is going to be equal with a 44 feet per second. But now, if we want, for example, to use the other information here with the second 2, for example, let's see, can I find again the same velocity with the same value? And instead of the h1, I'm plugging h2. So let me write here per 2 seconds is going to be h0 is a plus v0 t2 is minus 1 g t2 square. And per 2 seconds here, we already know here the height is 84 feet. Okay, 84 feet. 84 is equal, h0 is a 60, is the same. v0 plus a v0, and is a time 2, is a minus, and this we already know is a 16, and t square is a 2 square. Okay, So I just want to make sure this, again, we are going to find out the same velocity is a 60 plus 2v0 is a minus, and 2 squared is a 4, minus 16 is a minus 64. So this is a minus 64. If if I'm going here to 60, minus 64 is minus 4. So 84 is equal to the minus 4 plus 2v0. Plus 4 here, plus 4 here. So this one is going to be 88 is equal to v0. Divided by 2, divided by 2. We already see v0 is equal, well, 88 divided by 2 is 44 feet over second. So this is the velocity. In either way, we are plugging in a h1 or h2, so we get the same velocity.